Getting set up to accept payments through Iris is pretty easy. First, you want to come to your invoice setup. The first thing you're going to do is connect your Square account. If you are not already set up with Square, there is a special bonus offer for signing up through Iris. Once you connect your Square account, you want to come down to Settings. In Settings, be sure to select the correct currency, decide if you want sales tax toggled on or not, and the correct amount in the box. You have the option to accept ACH, Afterpay, Apple Pay and Google Pay, Cash App, and then Square gift cards. You also have the option to toggle on the tips to accept tips on your invoices. Then at the bottom here, you can toggle on or checkbox on automatic reminders to be sent out for your payment schedules, and you can add a custom email message that goes out with your invoices. Next are integrations. If you want to integrate your invoices with Fundy or QuickBooks Online, you have the option to do that by integrating here. And then the last section is invoice products. Anything that you're going to be charging for needs to be entered in here first. You'll want to add a product, name it, add the description and the price, and decide if it's taxable or not. And then just click the little checks box and it puts that item right on the list for you. And then you'll be all set to start invoicing your clients.